was appointed 6 months ago, and the more I've spoken about feminism, the more I have realized that fighting for women's rights has too often become synonymous with men hating. If there is one thing I know for certain, it is that this has to stop. For the record, feminism by definition is the belief that men and women should have equal rights and opportunities. It is the theory of the political, economic, and social equality of the sexes. I started questioning gender-based assumptions a long time ago. When I was 8, I was confused being called bossy because I want to direct the place that we would put on for our parents, but the boys were not. When at uh, 14, 14, I start to be sexualized by certain elements of the media. When at 5, 15, my girlfriends start dropping out of their beloved sport teams because they didn't want to appear masculine. When at 18, my male friends were unable to express their feelings. I decided that I was a feminist, and this seemed uncomplicated to me, but my recent research has shown me that feminism has become an unpopular word. Women are choosing not to identify as feminists. Apparently, I'm among the ranks of women whose expressions are seen as too strong, too aggressive, isolating, and intimate, and, and unattractive. Even why has the word become such an uncomfortable one? I'm from Britain, and I think it is right that I'm paid the same as my male counterparts. I think it is right that I should be able to make decisions about my own body. I think it is right that women be involved on my behalf in the policy and the decisions that will affect my life. I think it is right that socially I'm afforded the same respects as a man, but sadly I can say that there is no one country in the world where all women can expect to receive these rights. No country in the world can yet say that they have achieved gender equality. Thank you very, very much.